Alright, this is a 1970s white Westinghouse air conditioner. I think it's 5,000 BTU if I remember correctly. Let's come off here. There it is. Looks like it says 6,000 BTUs, but it's hard for me to see. Maybe y'all saw it a little bit better. Anyways, it's down here in the shop in a really awkward spot for me to get at it, so it's not much rust in it. From what I can see, I haven't had the chance to really take it apart yet, and I've had it for a while. I've just been so busy. Here are the controls. Knobs are a little corroded, but it's got the top of the line control panel here. Go to high fan here for y'all. Very loud fan. Very loud. Medium. Low. The control's pretty stiff too. Let's try low, cool. I don't know if you can hear the compressor start up or not, but it's working. Reciprocating compressor. Missing those two slats on the grill there. It's a little disappointing, otherwise it would be in perfect condition. It's already cold. It's low cool. Get between speeds, you can hear the compressor. Ice cold. Alright, that's a quick video on this one. I haven't cleaned it up or done anything with it yet. It works. It ain't too clean right now, but once I get the chance to clean it up, it'll be pretty nice.